Hi guys, I'm Chef Derek St. Romain, and I'm excited to welcome you here to the Ingles table. We've already been to Ingles and loaded up on everything needed to make this incredible dish. Now it's time to fire up that grill. All right, so today we're grilling up pork tenderloin, but not like any pork tenderloin you've ever done before. I can't wait to show you how to amaze your friends and family with this one, so let's get started. It's a two-part recipe that you can start the day before. All I did was trim some of the fat off of the pork loin, and we're gonna make a brine. What a brine is basically salt and sugar, some wine and herbs. We're gonna let it sit in there for about 24 hours. So I'm gonna just drop my pork loin in there, about 2 cups of water, fresh garlic, ½ cup sugar, salt, peppercorns, cayenne, all kind of stuff, and then the best part, herbs. Now you can put whatever herbs you like in here. I like a lot of herbs. So I got basil, bay leaves, tarragon, a little oregano, and I got a bunch of all of it. So you just dump it in there. And take about a half a bottle of wine. What you want to do is put it in a container that's going to cover the liquid all over the top of your pork loin. And now what we're going to do is we're going to let this brine overnight. You can actually do it up to 72 hours as long as you have it under refrigeration. And we'll come back and grill this on the grill. So y'all come back with me in just a minute. All right, so here comes the fun part of this recipe. I had this tenderloin already done, so I'm gonna just take it out of the brine. And again, it's fresh herbs, salt, garlic, all that good stuff, right? Put it on the cutting board. I'm gonna pour a little olive oil on here, and there's no specifics to this. Just cover it with olive oil. Rub it with your hands. Any good chef plays with their food, trust me. Throw a little fresh garlic on there. Just cover it. You want all the flavors just to catch on there when it's on the grill. It's gonna cook down, it's gonna burn a little bit, it's gonna give it a great flavor, right? And then in here, we have salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. And we're just gonna sprinkle it around. We're gonna cover it. It's pork, trust me, salt, pepper, cayenne tastes great on pork. And again, rub it in, roll it on a cutting board. Okay, so now it's ready. And you can do this a couple different ways. Myself, I just like going outside on the grill. It's fun, the weather is beautiful. Look at this place. You could do it in your oven. What I would do is throw it in there at about 325, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. Just watch it and temp it. You want it to get to 155 degrees internal temperature. Same thing on the grill. So let's start cooking. All right, so the pork has been cooking for about 35, 40 minutes on the grill. I've been turning it every 5 or 10 minutes or so, making sure the grill marks are nice and perfect. And check this out, man, it's beautiful. Look how perfectly cooked that is, man. That is like 155 degrees. Let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes before you cut into it so all the juices stay in. And I promise you, you'll be the star of the next cookout in your neighborhood. So, guys, now the only thing left to do is enjoy this pork loin. Thanks again for joining me here at the Ingles table. Check out the rest of our site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. And I'll see you next time.